Welcome to another video, guys.
Hello everyone.
Hi, we are on the Asian side of Istanbul. In a previous vlog we went to Sultan Ahmet, which is European side of Istanbul, but also we mentioned we are staying in Asian part.
Yeah.
That's why we decided we're gonna do today's vlog from Asian part and show you why did we decide to stay here, what are the perks, benefits, pluses, possibly minuses as well of this side, and we're gonna take you through. However, before we start today's video, we both would love to thank you so much for all your support, for your likes, comments, shares and kind words. It means really a lot to us, so thank you very much one more time. And also for the new ones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring a lot of travel content. With that being said, let's just jump straight to today's vlog. Come and join us.
Let's go.
So area where we are staying is called Kadiköy. There is another major area very close called Ushkudar, but we haven't been there yet. We definitely are planning on going if we've got enough of time for that. But anyways, let's talk about our part and why do we find it as a better option compared to European side or any area in European side. The reason is it is much more laid back, much more authentic, much more affordable, and you do have a lot of different choices. We're talking food choices, accommodation choices, and sport activities, and so on and so on. Prices in here are, I would say, at least twice more affordable compared to European side. Also, what we noticed, there is much more of a variety of food, so you do have all different kitchens, and local restaurants and little cafes are not afraid to experiment and to try new recipes and being flexible with the food, which we really like. Also, Kadiköy, as mentioned, is much more local. People here are enjoying their life. They are very laid back. It's also very hipster friendly.
Definitely.
Many trendy cafes, a lot of art on the walls, a lot of vegan and vegetarian friendly restaurants as well. We like to pop to this kind of restaurants time to time ourselves. We enjoy vegan and vegetarian food a lot, so it's really good choice. Also, there is a lot of young people. It seems like a lot of couples are living around. That's why we feel like the vibe is correct vibe for young people. So for young ones, and I'm not trying to be ageistic, but for those who feel young, this is the side where you should be coming. It's not too busy, it's not too touristic, and there's a lot of things to do. So definitely highly recommend for all the couples or all the people, young or young in the soul, however you feel like. Asian side is our choice. So guys, we just had probably
Amazing.
the best food in Turkey so far, or
Definitely, yeah.
I would probably say the best food in last few months, that's for sure. So we do have a little gem hidden in our area. I'm not sure if we should we say what's the name of it?
Yeah.
Or we keep it for ourselves?
No, let's share it.
Okay.
It's worth sharing.
So it's called Muto. Google it. It's W-T-T. Muto. It's a street food and mezze bar. Absolutely blown my mind.
Spot on.
Unbelievably tasty food. Good stuff. And it's hidden. It's hidden in between the streets. Yeah, everyone is wearing masks. We have to as well. We just put them off for a little bit, but yeah, don't get surprised if we wear a mask in the next vlogs, because literally these are the rules over here, and literally every single person is following them. We don't see people without a mask at all, so even now we feel a little awkward by pulling mask off. So as you can see, this place feels different and looks different compared to the rest of European side. What do you think?
What do I think? Well, this is much more us, I would say.
Yeah, this place is us. So
Yeah.
we do like this kind of places and the food and the vibes. And if you feel like you are at least a little bit similar, Asian side will be probably your best bet in Istanbul. However, if you feel like you wanna live that crazy entertaining life
And see all the main attractions, tourist attractions.
yeah, then probably
European side, yeah.
European side. However, here after 5 p.m. it gets buzzing as well. It gets busy. A lot of
Party starts.
party starts, and mostly young people, so a lot of young culture here. Yeah, so this is the time when young ones are coming out to have a first beer or first coffee. It is currently Friday 4 p.m. so I think yeah, it's the right time. There is a lot of young people. Yeah, as you see, everyone is still wearing masks, but it doesn't stop anyone from living their life as they lived before, except a few restrictions. But generally, place is very chilled. Clothing in Turkey is very cheap, so we've seen very often t-shirts, trousers
For £1.
for 2 pounds literally,
yeah.
And we try them and they seem really good quality, so it's interesting thing how are they managing to produce well, decent quality
cheap.
stuff for a very cheap. Right, so basically here we are on the main road in Kadiköy. This is like a main road. It does get busy, but I say pleasantly busy. Nobody's rushing much, you know. Everyone is just wow, that's a weird store, but
It's
cool.
nice.
Cool. Last time we went to European side, literally you do 10 meters and there is always somebody trying to sell, trying to offer. I do understand it is part of their job and they are just trying to make their living, and yeah, it's understandable, but at the same time it feels like you are treated only as a walk-in money, you know.
Yeah, they just see you as a tourist, not
Yeah,
as a human.
regardless of what's the reason why you came. Maybe you are not tourist, maybe you came to explore and maybe live, but still you will be treated the same way. However, here we don't feel this at all, because we do see quite a lot of different nationalities here. Yeah, that's the very interesting thing. Very rarely anyone speaks English here, very rarely. So literally even young people, very little English words, so it is challenging in this way. What we didn't mention for every animal lover Turkey is probably world's capital of cats.
Yeah.
And also I believe there is a lot of, or enough of dogs. Not equal amount, but a lot. But if you like cats, you will meet them literally every 2 minutes.
They will
somewhere.
come to you, snuggle with you, and you can say that they've been very loved by locals.
Yeah, they are.
Because they are actually feeding them. You can find the cat food everywhere on the streets. So they are just leaving food for them.
They literally create the little houses for them on the windows and on the side of the streets. The same for the dogs. Dogs are obese, I must say.
Too happy.
Yeah, too happy, just lying on the side. So animals are happy generally, and people love them. So anyone who is loving animals the same way, you will enjoy yourselves here. Guys, we hope you are enjoying our hipster slash boho adventures of today. For the new ones to our channel, please subscribe, because we will be staying in Turkey for a while, so we will be delivering a lot more travel content, and we will explore whole Turkey.
Not whole, but part of it.
Yeah. Well, as much as we can, and as much as we are allowed. Also, give us a big thumbs up and leave some comment with some question or anything you noticed or you are
if you
interested.
have any place for us to visit, if you have any recommendation where we should go in Turkey.
Yeah, that would be great. Actually, that's a good idea. Recommend some place and we will go and check it out, and we will create a video, or we will refer to that in another video.
Definitely, yeah.
Also, for anyone out there who is interested in meeting up or catching up with us, we are more than happy to,
we are open
to meet the new people. And if you want to take us somewhere where you like, let's go together. We are happy to connect and show us around. If you want to be on the vlog, you can be on the vlog. If you don't want to, that's fine. We are open-minded, so get in touch if anyone is interested to take us out.
Send us a message, drop a comment. Whatever.
Easy. And we are back, guys, in our room. We actually went out and had a couple of beers, so you can imagine we are a little tired. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed today's vlog. We certainly had lots of fun. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave some comment,
Thumbs up,
show us some love. And we will see you in the next video. Where from?
Well, it's still a question.
Yeah, it's still a questionable. We don't know yet. Well, we're definitely gonna surprise you, and I believe we always do. So stay tuned, stay safe, and we see you in the next vlog.
See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.